Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Epsom in Surrey and really excited to show you around a project we started in February. This building here was already existing. It's called Woody. So they've upgraded our baker's room, which has got no timber in it, to Buzz, which I absolutely love. So this building is now known as Buzz. It is one of our Kite pre-designs with a bit of amendment to it. 8.1 meters wide and the 3.7 meters deep. So that maximises the 30 square meter. Now this one is to be used as a day room, like kind of guest room element with a day bed in it and fully self-contained, along with being used as a cinema room. And then wanted a store section, and then that evolved into a canopy, and then we actually integrated the whole thing. So say the main building is 8.1 meters wide, and we then got a gap that we've infilled. Then we've got a store, which you're kind of seeing there, okay? And then we have got the canopy for the sitting in. And what we've done is we've linked up the canopies there, as in the top roof canopies. I'm really pleased with that. It was really challenging to achieve with all the levels and compound angles, but it's worked really, really nicely. Now the normal Kite has full glass to the front. That we designed with, because we wanted a day room there and a sleeping place there for a day bed. We've kind of reduced that down, and inside I've got to say this is a cinema room, 100-inch screen. Absolutely love it, taking up almost 2/3 of that 3.7 room, and it is stunning in here. The clients are over the moon, wanted it self-contained for guests to come over, but also for just coming down and getting away from the house. So we've got a lovely elfin kitchen in there. That's the 1.5 meter wide, got the fridge and other elements in there, which you can see there, oven, hob, and then we've done the splashback ourselves. You've got the brick effect wall on there, so that's the MDF brick effect. We've got the Mitsubishi climate control from our good friends at Subcool, and then you can see this green wash lighting the whole way round. All of the doors and windows have got the integrated blinds in them. That's all grey on grey. I absolutely love that. So you get this lovely privacy, and actually you get that for the night as well. And I just think it's beautiful in here. Now inside of the back section, we've got our bathroom and toilet there. So with the shower room in there. So that's really looking lovely in there. And that's all set up there. You've got hot water cylinder sitting here, which then feeds the hot water to both the basin and the sink. And then to the front, because these clients have got grandkids and they want to come and just enjoy that as a little bit of fun sleepover, there's a separate little bedroom here. So cute, very sweet. We've done a little blackout blind there for them, and yeah, apparently the grandkids are absolutely loving coming, staying nanny and granddads, and enjoying this space down here. Absolutely love it. I love the way it's been furnished and used, and I think it's a beautiful room, and the clients are super proud of it and really proud of the service as well. Now as you come to the outside, you'll also see all of the work here on the patio work, so thank you to Tom Manville, TJM, working under our umbrella. We've completely renovated this whole area. We've included this lovely lamp post that's all tied in, some drainage there, macerator pumped for that. And this is a Raj green London stone 6x9 Indian sandstone in the Raj green. I really like it, so thanks to London Stone for supplying that. Lovely planters there that have been supplied, and then this lovely seating area. I popped to Chelsea, purchased this, which I think works really well. We've just been discussing maybe doing some slate tiling on the wall there where the mirror is. All these little elements look absolutely stunning. And it's a project I'm absolutely loving. So everything completed by us. That's plumbing, electric, internet connection, obviously the building itself, and then all of this landscaping as well. Just a really lovely project. I'm really proud of it, to come back here to see this completed. So met the clients in February, now sitting here in September. Absolutely completely finished. It was a really great project. So I hope that's of interest to you. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.